Without understanding, they use Isaiah 42 and 8 to discredit the chosen one, Yahawashai, incorrectly called Jesus. Part 1. As so many have done. Decisions are made without complete information. Therefore, let us at least use more information for more clarity regarding Isaiah 42:8. The comprehension of Isaiah 42 and 8 does not start at verse 8. It starts at verse 1. And we need to ask ourselves, who is talking? Who is the subject? And what is the point of what is stated? Isaiah 42 and 1. See, my servant whom I uphold. My chosen one my being has delighted in. I have put my spirit upon him. He brings forth right ruling to the nations. First, who is speaking? The speaker is prophet Isaiah. Isaiah is speaking the words of the Most High to the servant, as he states, I have put my spirit upon the servant. Part 2. Isaiah 42 and 8. Getting more clarity regarding this verse. Secondly, we notice there is a person being called my servant, and my chosen, or my elect. We know the prophet Isaiah is the speaker, speaking the words of the Most High. But who is this servant? This servant is someone that was given the Spirit of the Most High. So we ask, what is this Spirit? The Spirit of the Most High is His character, that is personality, His power, His authority. Also, read this, really cool. In the book of Revelations 3 and 1, 4 and 5 and 5 and 6, we see there are 7, yes 7, spirits of the Most High. And in Revelation chapter 5 verse 12, we are told what these 7 spirits are: power, riches, wisdom, strength, respect, esteem, blessing. Also, read Part 3 next. Part 3, regarding Isaiah 42 and 8. We know the speaker is the prophet Isaiah, speaking the words of the Most High. We know the servant has been given the Spirit of the Most High. Also, we know what this Spirit is. We ask again, who is this servant? What are the clues? In Matthew 12 and 18, we see it states the same as Isaiah 42 and 1. Matthew 3 and 17, this is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased, or in whom I delight. Matthew 3 and 17 and Matthew 12 and 18, the same. Isaiah 52 and 13 says, see, my servant shall work wisely. He shall be exalted and lifted up and very high. This leads us to Matthew 28-18. And Yahawashai came up and spoke to them, saying, all authority has been given to me in heaven and on earth. Part 4 is next. Part 4 of Isaiah 42 and 8. More clues to who the servant is of Isaiah 42 and 1. Isaiah 42 and 2 states, he does not cry out, nor lifts up his voice, nor causes his voice to be heard in the street. That is to say, he is mild-mannered, a person gentle and not given into extremes of emotions. 2 Corinthians 10 and 1. Through the meekness and gentleness of Messiah. Zechariah 9 and 9 tells us he is humble and riding on a donkey. Isaiah 42 and 3, a crushed reed he does not break, and smoking flax he does not quench. He brings forth right ruling in accordance with truth. Maybe, perhaps, it is clear now that this servant, this chosen one is Yahawashai. We are still on a path to get to verse 8. So much more to be said. Part 5 next. Regarding Isaiah 42 and 8, Part 5. In Isaiah 42 and 8, we see someone saying, my esteem I do not give to another. However, just from reading verses 1 and 2, we see the servant was given great esteem from someone else. That is the Most High. So what is going on here? Why say I do not give, and yet it was given? Let us confirm more with the next few verses that esteem was given. Isaiah 42 and 3, same as Matthew 12 and 20. Isaiah 42 and 4, the word is correctly Torah and not law. Torah is teaching. These verses confirms again. In Isaiah 42 and 5 we see the Most High's words stating who He is, by also using the singular Hebrew form for God, which says all power comes from Him. However, from verse 1 through 7, the Most High is speaking directly to the servant. Part 6 of Isaiah 42 and 8. We now know that a person was chosen to be a servant of the Most High, to receive His Spirit, that is, His character, personality, ways of doing things, and to be a teacher to the nations. So, as we read in verse 8 stating, "My esteem will I not give to another," this is an error in translation. Yes, an error. In 42 and 8, the servant himself is being commanded not to give honor or praise that is meant only for the Most High to receive to any other or on to idols. Yes, in Hebrew text, the Most High is not stating that He Himself does not give praise to others, but instead, He is commanding the servant not to give praises to others. Ayawaha, this name, honor, others no give praise. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.